So if you want to run 2-ton mini split, you probably need to be getting around 12 kilowatt hours of energy per day, which means that you need probably a 3 kilowatt hour battery, a 2 kilowatt pure sine wave inverter, and probably 2 kilowatts of solar. So to get your solar, uh, you could probably just get some panels like I have here and lean them on your back fence. And the rest of the system you could probably put into a toolbox like I have here. You can see this is just a heart toolbox. And inside, I've actually got the battery, the inverter, and there's the charge controller. And that should all run you around $2,100. And if you pay somebody to install everything or deliver everything for you, procure everything and just put it together for you, that should cost probably an extra $300, even if it's on your shed and your roof. So you're looking at about $2,500 is what you should be paying for a solar system that'll power a 2-ton unit, which should be able to provide air conditioning and heat to around 1,500 square feet of your house, which should be a pretty good size area. Probably cover a living room and a kitchen area and a bedroom or two. So I would expect that to be something that everybody did. But surprisingly, no one makes that investment, and I think part of the reason why is because anytime you contact somebody to talk about solar, they're going to try to tear off your head on the installation.